Xiang Wen
And Lana Win.
at C21 So Team. Welcome to another Evergreen listing.
3183 Whiteleaf Court in San Jose.
This features 3-bedroom, 3 full bath, 1322 square feet, and over 5,000 in lot size.
And what's great about this property that I love is it has a downstairs bedroom that you can use, and also that makes 4 bedrooms and 3 full bath. The neighborhood is great. It's in the Evergreen area, so it has the mall, which is just down the street. We also have great schools, Evergreen High School, as well as grocery shopping, In-N-Out Burger, and much, much more. Come on in and take a look inside.
I like being here in this living room with recessed lighting and freshly painted walls all throughout. Laminate floor. What do you think, Rich?
Well, I just love the flow of this house. As you enter into the living room, you've got a lot of light here, a lot of sunlight. You've also got visibility to the backyard. Now, as you go around the corner, you've got a nice little eat-in nook, and it leads directly to the kitchen.
I can really see myself being in this kitchen. It has many cabinet storage, granite countertop, dishwasher, electric stove.
Yeah, and then also what I like is it's very bright. You can see the backyard from the kitchen sink, which is double, which is great. And then you can pass the food along. Just the breakfast nook is right here.
I could just lounge around all day long in this covered patio, enjoying the sun. There's just so much potential in this spacious backyard. You could build a swimming pool, more fruit trees. It's just really wonderful being here.
I think it's great that it has a covered patio that is finished so that you can entertain your guests, have a barbecue. And what I love about it is it has a seating area that's already built in. So great for entertaining your guests.
The property is extremely close to Evergreen Valley College and is only a couple blocks away from nearby schools. In addition, just a couple miles away is Raging Waters. Now I'm here at Evergreen Village Square. Now this is a really developed shopping plaza featuring farmers market on Sunday. You have your favorite restaurants as well as convenient shopping.
Thank you for taking the tour at our news listing. Please reach out to us if you have any questions at info@c21soulteam.com.